Most applications in production today were developed many years ago. Those apps were successful for their time. However, in today's market, innovation and adaptation are needed to successfully compete in the rapidly evolving business climate. Organizations have taken steps as part of their cloud journey to improve the delivery of resources to enable application teams to innovate faster. The next step in the journey is extending their container environments with OpenShift Virtualization. OpenShift Virtualization allows teams to deploy virtual machines on the same platform as their containerized applications. In addition, teams are deploying and managing them using the same tools and processes as their existing Kubernetes pods. Since not all workloads can be containerized, OpenShift Virtualization is a powerful tool to help application teams modernize their services. Typical applications today consist of a variety of services, some of which are still running in virtual machines. OpenShift Virtualization makes it easier to orchestrate both containers and virtual machines on the same platform, which makes it easier to support and manage. The platform allows these teams to deploy and manage virtual machines alongside their existing container workload and leverage the same platform services like storage and networking. OpenShift Virtualization requires OpenShift to be deployed on physical hardware and removes the additional overhead and complexity of running the OpenShift environment on existing virtual machine solutions. This provides a higher level of density, elasticity, and resource availability to the teams consuming the platform. Since it is purpose-built for containers, the overall cost to acquire and operate is much lower and gives the developers time to migrate their workloads to containers. The other advantage of OpenShift Virtualization is the ability to build on-demand development services that can be described inside their existing deployment configurations, like databases and distributed caches. This reduces development times by allowing teams to spin up services that are notoriously difficult to containerize or share between teams, but are still needed for testing new requirements from the business. The missing piece of the cloud journey is coming. The tools needed for deploying and managing containers and virtual machines are coming together to cover nearly all modern on-premises workloads and modernization efforts. OpenShift Virtualization, a solution to help unify the virtualization and container worlds. To find out more about Red Hat OpenShift and Red Hat OpenShift Virtualization, go to www.redhat.com or reach out to your Red Hat account executive.